for the balloons. Yay! Thank you, sir, for the balloons. Nice. Oh, more carrots pa. Cut your carrots. Okay, you cook. Put it inside the frying pan. More carrots for the baby. Juice. Oh, put it there inside. In the carrots. Put the carrots in. Hey, put it properly. Don't throw. Oh, like that. Gentle. Good job. Oh, nice. Oh, corn too. Cut the corn. Your favorite corn. Just hold it here. Oh. Wow, nice. Oh, put it here in the frying pan. Oh, grabe. Baking. Oh, you know, so many vegetables, oh. Wow, cook. Mix. Oh, mix, oh. Oh, mix. Use this one. Mix.
Ilan may bayad eh?
250. Si Daddy ra kami extra adult. No, we cannot open it, B. For pretend only. This one, you can open this for the oven. Ouch. Oh, you put, you're gonna make pizza? Let's make a pizza for me and you. Oh, bake. You will have to bake some. Wait. Oh, you have so many ingredients here. Oh. Nice. Bake your pizza. Heat it in the oven. Here, inside. Okay. Choose. Okay. Let's wait. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ding. Okay, you can get it now. Open. Wow, so yummy. Oh, be careful. It's hot. Put it there. There. Here. Move. Oh, here. Whoa. Okay, cut it. Close the oven. Okay, cut it. Cut your tomato. Use your knife. Cut your tomato. Wow, nice. Oh, it's an apple pala. I thought it's tomato. Okay, oh, be careful. It's hot. Ouch. Oh, grubby. Okay, give Kuya July some. Kuya July, oh, eat na. Oh, put it on the table. Here, table. Here. Oh, nice. Uy! Why you did that? Oh, sit on the chair. Oh, nice. Yummy. Can you give some mommy too? Give some for mommy. Give mommy egg, please. Cut the egg. Oh. Okay, put it here in the plate for mommy. Thank you, Zeke. Okay, mommy will put some water. Glug. Ay, don't drink, huh? For pretend only. Don't put your lips, Kate. There's germs. Okay, glug. Juice. Yummy. Eat lunchtime. Smells good. The flowers. Smell the flowers. Smell. So cute. More water, please. Give some for mommy. Thank you. Glug. Oh, hello, grabe. May mga katungab. Glug. Ayo. How much is my food? I have so many cakes. How much is it? Can you calculate? Can you count how many? And can you tell me how much? Thank you. Okay, I will buy now. How much is it? Okay, July, you calculate. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cakes. Mommy has a lot of cakes. You count. 1 peso times 9. 1 peso times 9.
9.
How much is it?
9.
Zik! Psst. Hindi na ma-open. Open. Oh! Wow! Here's your give mommy some money. Okay, this is my money. For pretend. Okay, here's $5. Oh, okay, since I have Zik. I have 9 cakes, so I will pay you $10. Zik, get the payment. Get the food. Get the money. Put it here inside. Inside the cash register, and then close. Give me one piso.
Busy.
Busy man ang
Magluto ko na niya.
tagiya. Oh, nice! Wee! Oh, whoa. Oh, nice! Hi, Zeke! Oh, nice! Jump! Really nice. Wait, no! Oh my gosh! Mo jump ang gajuday! Wee! That's so nice! Wee! Slide! Wee! So nice! Slide na po daw siya ko July. 1, 2, 3! Wee! Go! Be in the trampoline! Zig! Trampoline with Kijuay! Go inside Kijuay! Pwede naman kay kids, magyamon ka. Ibayaran man, tiga. Sulod na lang. Go inside! Di niya gusto. Okay, no like it. Blocks. Let's make them blocks.
Money that po yan.
Oh. Nice. Uy, no, ha. Don't get it. Wow. Okay, put some chili peppers. Get some. Okay. How much is it? Okay, let's see. Let's count here. Where are you? You will buy pa? Okay, get more. Get more grapes here. Oh, get here. Zig! There's a grapes here, oh. There are grapes here. Hold your basket. There, grapes. 2, please. Thank you. Okay, I will count. La. Whoa. Wow. How many scoops? I want 3 scoops, Z. Can I have some? 3 scoops, please. Help kay July. Ang taon na.
Like this.
3 scoops, please. Wow, nice. Wow, oops. Okay, nice. 1 more. Okay. Oh, give to mommy. Give to mommy. Wow, so yummy ice cream. How much is it? Thank you, Zeke. How much is it? 2. Okay, 2? Oh.
Open.
Oh. Okay. Give mommy some money. Wow, nice.
Happy day from Kidzuna. Parents and guardians, a friendly reminder to please check your stuff and your checkout time. Thank you!
Thank you. Go na.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Okay, open. Click open. Click open. Open. Click. Hey, click it. Cling! Okay. Okay. Open. Click pa, click. Get na, mommy. Give mommy money. Thank you. Wow, I have 5 Kidsuna dollars. Oh, get your, get the dog.
Doctor.
Your Dr. Zeke. Whoa. Okay, put them, wash them. Take a bath. Wash it. Take a bath, pet.
May bunoy biyo.
Ay, there's a Bunoy here. Bunoy, are you here? Bunoy?
Wait.
Ay, Zeke. What here? Take a bath, Bunoy. Take a bath, Bunoy. I check Bunoy if Bunoy is okay, ah? Check if Bunoy is okay. Put it in your ears. Okay, like that. Okay, check the heart of Bunoy. Check the heart. Check the heartbeat. Boom, boom, boom. Achoo! Nice. Medicine, Bunoy, for you. Achoo! Okay, check the check the temperature of Bunoy in the kili-kili. Or in the ears. Dick, put it in the ears. Bunoy is alright.
Okay na.
Nice.
Yung isa, ayaw ko na eh.
How about the cat? Oh, open. Put back Bunoy inside. Put Bunoy back inside. Put me back inside, Zeke. Whee! Nice. Whee! Go there, oh, in the slide. There, oh, up. So nice. Climb. Uy! Again, come on! Kalingaw. Oh, nice!
Holiday Royal Kidsuna.
Away na naman eh. Away na.
And your checkout time. Thank you.
Thank you. So easy. Oh, not there.
Okay, sa Ate Michelle, maghatag sa inyo og material sa atong activity. Ang tawag sa atong activity for today is Sea Animals Coloring. Okay. Naamoy mga sea animals dinha. Tapos, inyo na siyang kuluran. Make sure na inyo siyang makuluran tanan ha aron ma-emphasize nato ang unsa nga animal sa naa sa inyo. Okay. Sit down, Ati. Sige, kamo na yung mag-choose unsa nga color ang inyong gusto.
And the color too?
Mag-share lang, magbaro-baro lang sa atong colors ha. Sa atong crayons. Napaisa daw Ate Michelle.
Color here, baby, ah. Dick, look at mommy. Hi. Color. You want the red one? Okay, try the red. Wow. Nice.
Butang ipag-color na, hindi mo kuya. Dadan kay color kuya, oh. Dali.
Oh, nice. How about, do you want orange? Try orange? Okay, orange turn.
Good job.
Okay, done na.
Ikuha na yun ninyo. I-fold na yun ninyo. o kinsa tong nahumanan.
Oh, this is yours, oh. Purple, purple turn.
Ay sharp din natin. Diri maginyang kay mag-group picture man mo.
Oh, line up here. Come
Oh,
on.
tapos
Zig!
show your work.
Ay, gusto niya sa fly. Oh. Lay ang tiyan, lay. 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 Bayan mo naman. Ah, grabe, baby. Yay, mommy. Whee! Go, go! Go, go! Manaw ni mo daw. Nahanig kay July.